Hey everybody, what's up? And welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove your bank account from Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do, guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Google Pay, guys, you'll be greeted by this new main page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account, or if you do not already have one, guys, go ahead and sign up for a new account. So after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here where you can see all the options in Google Pay that you can use, as you can set up tap to pay, you can send or request money, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to remove a bank account from our Google Pay account. So guys, let's say that you have already added a bank account and now we want to remove it. Well, this is how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile picture right here in the upper right corner. And after clicking on your profile picture, guys, you'll be greeted by this new menu where you can see all the options that you have, such as your wallet, you can see your balance, you can add new credit cards, invite your friends, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to remove our bank account. So what we want to do, guys, is go ahead and scroll down until we find this option right here that says, as you can see right here, I currently don't have the option, but if you have already added a bank account, you'll be able to see an option that says payment methods and bank. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and enter in that section right there, and in that section you can just select the bank account that you want to remove, and in there is going to be a button that says to delete it. Just go ahead and follow the steps, guys, click the delete button next to your bank account and you will successfully remove it from Google Pay. But yeah, guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.